Hello everyone. Let's take a look at trade I made in Crude. Only one trade on the 23rd, no, on the 22nd of December. So this is Wednesday, December 22nd, 2021. It's actually an easy trade, and so you can see that in this area here, we're out. We're kind of trying to break out um, of the resistance here and at this Darvas level at 7168. So market went up and then came down, bounced, and it tried to break um, out of the 50 simple moving average, touched the cloud in the 30 minutes, touched the cloud, and then went up, made a high, and then tried to reverse, and then it made this hammer right here, trying to go up again. Now we have the moving averages uh, just starting to go to align to the upside, and so we have the moving averages stacked to the upside right here. Okay, so everything is kind of like bullish, and we have actually a good explosion all the way to from 71 um, 71 70, let's say 7168, 7170, all the way up to 73. So remember also that at 10:30 on Wednesday there was a AGI report, which is the inventories for crude. So this was positive. It moved down a little bit after the announcement, and then it went up. So here you go in the Renko. You do have the 10:30 a.m. As I said, it was trying to go down in the Renko. It went down and then up, and then the announcement came at 10:30, and then stayed there a little bit, went down, and started to go up. So here's where I jumped into it, and why I jumped in at this value. So this is a good question because you see that it's really below this high, and then it's below this higher high here. So it's actually kind of in a downtrend before, well, not a downtrend, but a consolidation in the before or right before the announcement. So let's paint this one, which I did have during the trade or during this session. So I have this one here. This is a channel connecting these fractals here, and then connected it there, right? So here we have a perfect kind of downtrend, and there's a break right there. So once it broke, I was kind of hesitating. Probably the best one would be, let's see, it's kind of like let's move this one a little bit up there just to make it kind of perfect. A little bit, still a little bit up. If it doesn't do it now, then yeah, perfect. So here is the entry. You have one tick above or two ticks above for confirmation, maybe one tick above, and then I took the trade right there. I said, okay, yeah, this one is. It seems that this one is going to run. So I took two targets. So that's one, $100, and then the second one was for $200 additional. So it went up two, um, two targets, so $300. The first one for 100, the second one for 200. Now went there, um, went to that high and then reverse. There's no actually resistance at this point. Maybe behind, but here it's kind of clear. Went down, up and down, touched the channel again, and then went up. I was not looking at the market at this time, but the only thing that the only time that I was looking for was after the announcement, right after the announcement. So I made the $300, and I was okay with that. So then I was not looking at this, but it did touch um, the channel in the upper side, and then went up again, and then came down. See how bullish it is from here. Lunch happens, and it kept moving up. There was a little bit of consolidation during that lunchtime, but then right after lunch at 2:13, after 1:30, you can consider this one low volume, right? And then you have at 2:30, at 2:12, you have another bounce, and then at 2:15, took off all the way up to 73 level. The other thing in crude you have to look is this 20 cents level. So you have the round numbers, which are the 72 is a round number. Then you have the 72.20. See there's a congestion here at the 72.20 level. 72.50 is another one. You have, this here came to the 72.50, came back to 72.30, and then pulled up again all the way to 73. Okay, so yeah, and then the other one is 72 and 72.80, and you see that there's some congestion here as well in the afternoon. Now you go into the after hour sessions after 72.98, and crude kept moving. Okay, so that's $300 easy trade here. No sweat. Just $100 in the first meeting the first target. Entry at 71.61. $100 target at 71.70. I don't want to get in troubles because of this, but let's see. 71.71, so 71.61, 71.71, and 71.81. So there you go, $300 minus commissions, obviously. So a little bit of less than $300 for this trade. Well, I hope you find this one interesting, and thank you for watching this video.